Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by.
Hey everybody, this is Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're out here at Wag's Bakery with Suzanne. She's the owner of Wag's Bakery, and she agreed to give us a video testimonial. So Suzanne, how would you say the sales process went when we came out to give you a price for the windows?
The sales process was amazing. You guys came out, first of all, the window broke, and within a few days you guys came out to give me come take a look at it and give me the quote and the estimate on it. So altogether, you guys were very professional, very kind, very understanding of the situation, that this is my business and having a window is very important to me.
Yes.
So I would say the sales process, the entire, from start to finish was amazing.
Great, glad to hear that. When the installers came out to do the install, how did they treat the property and you when they were out here?
They were phenomenal, I have to tell you. So they wanted to start very early, so I went ahead and gave them the code to come on in to the shop and start without me, because I couldn't be here. I'm a single person, we have very few staff here, and I had to take my daughter to school. So they were very kind. They came in, got it started. When we had a customer come who thought we were open just yet, they said no, we weren't open yet. Said to tell them to come back later, and they were very professional. They cleaned up all their mess. They were very courteous the entire time, and in fact, they were able to finish before we actually opened our shop that day at 11.
Nice, so good, speedy service on that. And then wrapping it up here, with Window Depot USA, would you say that you would refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely. I would refer you guys as the #1 source for your windows, whether you're a home or especially a business.
Well, great. Thanks a lot, Suzanne.
Thank you.
We appreciate your business.
Appreciate it. Have a great day.
Thanks, everybody.